Antipolo City 2nd District Representative Resurrecion Acop has passed away. The House of Representatives and the City Government of Antipolo announced the sad news on social media. The lady lawmaker ran unopposed in the 2019 elections. Acop would have turned 74 in November. She is the mother of Antipolo Councilor Dr. Philip Conrad Acop. Her husband is former Antipolo Congressman Romeo Acop. According to her husband, they both tested positive for COVID-19 in April. He recovered while her condition worsened.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.